Hi everyone. So, welcome back again. It's the day 19. So, what we learned? We have learned about the front end, we have learned about the UI, and we are now in the phase of development. We are developing the application from the front end point of view, at least have a basic designing of the website. Now, to make we will come back to that every page of the development of the front end when we create the API to set up the API in the front end as well. So let's get back to the our project. First of all, we look at the tracking tool and what we need to do today, and then we will look at the design of the next page on which we will be working on, and then we will start building on those things. So again, we are in the list and we are in tracking tool. So we can see we have completed home page for now, and we will start add post. So we will do add post in progress, and then we will look at the design of add post. So this is not a design of add post. So this is a design of add post. We want something like this. So here one can upload the image. Here one can have the caption, and here is the upload button. So now we want to build this. So we will get to the VS Code where we are doing the coding, and we have to create one more view. And what the view is about? View is about add post. So in the view, we will create one file named as add post dot view. Again, what we will do? Script setup. We will have template in which we write the HTML, and then we have style scoped. So in this, the first thing we require is the import ref from view. And import sidebar. So these are the things we require for now, and we will get back to everything when we use these things. Now in the template, so what we require? First thing, the template has sidebar. So to add the sidebar, we require the design of this, where we add the sidebar with the help of this thing. And you can see it is showing the error because there is no div that is closed. So now it is closed. So the next div that must have width is 3/4. Now for that we have built this. Index.js has all the routes, so we will create one more route for add post. So we have added this. Now in the sidebar itself, you can add this too. Where? When there is a button of add, and this button is a router link. To of add post. So let me see the router link code itself. So I guess that's the correct code, router link to slash something. So in the add post or in the sidebar, it will be slash add post. So R capital and L capital. For this again R capital, L capital. Line number 63. It is good to go. So let's run it in the terminal first. So cd front end and npm run dev. Then we will look into some other part where we have to do these things. So we are working on this. Let's wait for a few minutes. It's loading. Similarly, for this, we will create a router link. to sign in or log in. See, it's working. It also working. There is nothing on the sidebar. So I have made some error in the add post, I guess. So this it's a spelling error due to which now you can see it is here. So similarly, I will create links for this when I will create the pages for this. Add the link to the navigation bar one by one. So in the add post, we will look some of the add post Tailwind CSS component. So let's see if flow white. So how we want something like this, right? So we will copy this and we will add it here. So now we will see what is there in our application. So now in that width, this should not be width, width should be half of the things. And the next half will be given to that caption. And it should have an input box. type equals to test area, text box. Now we model as, what should we name as? Name as caption. Name equals to caption. Now again, in here we will use the class placeholder as there should be no placeholder, or express your thoughts. So now we have added this as well, background white. So is the background white? So for that we will check this. So yes, background white again. Everything is there. And similarly for file, it's a black in color. And what we want some color like this. So we have a fill of this. What is the, this is the SVG, this is the thing, background is should be here. Now that should have the color, so we will add that color here. So for this, what we will do, This is the color we want, but the opacity we want 30%. Let's see what the color of it. So I also require label, so I just copy paste the label code and then change label for caption. Now we have added this as well, so not text small, text should be LG. So text box, this should be text area. So we have added this. So let's say it is showing text box, text area input. So it's a test area tag itself. So I have made a mistake there, so I will change that. So the tag itself is text area where we define the rows and columns. That is clear, and now we have added this. Now we want this to be on the right side, and then there should be a button after this div. That should be in a div class add post button. At the rate submit dot prevent is equals to, let's say, what we do, add post, where it will be named as this tag, or instead of that, what I will do, I will add a button in which I will add a click. So button will be from sign page or it is from here. So the class should be from the sign up page. But the color is different, so we will select this and see what the color it has. So now color is that and text color is white. So we will change the text color as white, text white. We have built this, everything is ready. Item center, justify content, center, text center. Yes, that is good. So I hope you have understand this. We have added this, we will upload this. And for caption, we have to write that, right? So caption equal, and caption should be as a const. Ref of something this. So we have added this. Now, now the one thing that is there, that we will divide this content. So I hope you have understand this. We will look more into it tomorrow. So there can, and we will also look into the suggestions of what can be done more. So yeah, there's a caption of add your post here that we will add. Those things will be there. So let's meet you tomorrow. By the time, I hope you enjoyed the session, learned, and we will bake together, burn together. Thank you everyone for watching the content.